Grouping of objects. In Roomtodo, you can group objects. To do this, hold down Control button and left click to select the items you want to group. As you can see, the selected elements are highlighted. Now to create a group we need to click here. After grouping the objects, we can move them as a group with the mouse or with the arrows on our keyboard. We can rotate them. We can change their position relative to the floor using this tool, or on the right side of the screen. We can enter our own values or use the arrows. We can also mirror or copy these objects. We can also change the dimensions for the entire group. They change proportionally. We can't change widths, heights, and depths separately. You can change the material of grouped objects. In this case, this material will be replaced simultaneously for all objects in the group. Clicking all categories will take you to the catalog of all available materials. To cancel the grouping, we need to click here. And now we can manipulate each object individually.